Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to run self-diagnostics and check warranty on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8. So what are we going to do first is we're going to open up the settings. In the settings, we want to go to warranty and care. So the first one, and here you should see your warranty. So as you guys can see, I'm eligible for the Samsung Care Plus. I have 49 days to sign up for this phone. And of course, you can run the diagnostics also in the warranty and care. So here you can click on the diagnostics. Now we're going to click on allow. And now all we have to do is wait. It is checking everything like system software, battery status, NFC, and etc. So now you just let it run through all of those 20 points. We are on the 6th one now. You got it right at the top here. It is checking all the sensors, and soon we should have the results of our self-diagnostics. So it can take some time, from a minute up to 5 minutes. Here you want to click while using the app, and now it is checking the camera and everything. As you guys can see, it already used the camera permission. So now it is basically diagnosing itself. So as you guys can see, the remaining tests are interactive. You'll be asked to do things like touch the screen, play sounds, and connect a charger or headphones. We want to click OK. Now we want to click while using the app and make sure that it's precise. Here location accuracy is checked. They're checking the Wi-Fi. And here we have the Bluetooth. So it is checking the Bluetooth now. Now press the volume up button. So we're going to press the volume up button, press the volume down, side button. They're all checked, and as you guys can see, do not move your phone. Now it is testing the vibration, and we cannot touch our phone, and we answered the question if it vibrated normally. Yes, it did. Now test the notification vibration. I'm gonna click vibrate, and it was also good. I'm not really sure if you guys can hear this. If you do, then you know that it works. Here you have the in-call speaker. So yes, I do hear sound from it. If you do too, then you click yes. Now the media speaker, and now we want to turn the media volume up. And as you guys can see, it's almost at the lowest volume possible, and we heard the sound, so everything works just fine. Now we're gonna check the mic while using the app, and now we're gonna record some text. As you guys can see, it's recording now the first mic, and we can. We're gonna record some text. As you guys can see, it's recording. And it did record the sound well. I mean, it's a little bit muffled, but I'm pretty sure that it's just okay. Now we're recording the second mic, and basically it's the same procedure. We just talk, and we can click on play. Now we're recording the second mic, and basically it's the same. And it was actually good. It was better than the first one. Now, as you guys can see, we need to use our fingerprint to verify our identity. Here we want to go with the face recognition. So now I have to hold my phone at the eye level, so like this. And as you guys can see, I did not do anything. I just looked into the camera and didn't even show me a preview of the camera. So now we're going to click OK. And now we want to fill in the squares. So we can do just that on the entire screen. So let's quickly do it. As you guys can see, the tests may take some time, but your diagnostic, your own phone here, that's why it looks like this. As you guys can see, we can just slide our finger through it. Everything's just fine. Now we want to connect to the charger, and of course I'm gonna plug it in. You can also skip it if you don't want to charge it, but as you guys can see, it is checking, and it is connected. It's checking. It should give us a check mark that is okay, and after that we will have two last things remaining. So wireless charging. I do not have a wireless charger with me, so let me go get it. So I got the wireless charger. I put my phone out, and now we have the wireless charging. We're just gonna put our phone here, and we want to make sure that we locate it and make sure that our wireless charger is working. Now we click on yes, and as you guys can see, it says that it's not working, but it's because there's a little bit of a space because it goes down. So as you guys can see, we can plug our phone again, click test again, and now the charging speed is normal. So as you guys can see, works just fine. The last thing is the wired headphones, and unfortunately I do not have these because there's no 3.5mm jack, but you can use the USB-C. As you guys can see, even if I tried to plug in the normal cable, then it will not be that because it will still detect the charger. So as you guys can see, I connected the charger. I'm gonna click yes, and now it will probably just fail the test. I'm not really sure how they work. It will ask you a question if you hear the sound normally. You're gonna click yes, and now it's normal. So we got everything. As you guys can see, if you have some fingerprints not recognized, we're gonna click test again, and now we're gonna press and hold it. Let's just do that again. So we want to make sure that it actually tests our fingerprint. It's also good, and the face recognition. We're gonna go over and hold my phone at the eye level, about 20 to 50 centimeters from our face. So now we're gonna click start, and it says normal. So everything here is done. We got our test. Everything is done. It took us around 6 minutes because I also had to get the wireless charger to work, but everything's okay with our phone, and you can also run the same test on your phone. And that's it for the video. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.